Every morning I come to the bay of Le Monde like meeting an old friend. The wind, the light, the waves, everything seems to breathe in rhythm with me. Here every session is a conversation with nature. It carries me, challenges me, inspires new figures, reminds me of its strength and vulnerability. Being a kite surfer means learning to listen to the ocean. In this bay, beauty is everywhere, in the silence, the form, in the duty to respect and protect it with everyday gestures. That's why even in simplest chores matter, like using products that care for the ocean as much as I do. Suntribe is one of those quiet companions that lets me enjoy the sun without leaving a trace. Each breath of wind reminds me of its solid bond I have with Le Monde Bay. It's a privilege to glide here, at the heart of a living ecosystem we must protect, and to stay in harmony with it day after day.